Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths class. Hope you all fine. Today we are going to continue equation of tangent and normal. So already we have started this one. Tangent, normal, everything I told you already. So directly we can go to the exam formula. So what is your equation of tangent? Y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. Equation of normal, y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m of x minus x1. Angle between two curves. So what is angle between two curves formula? Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. What is m1 and m2? These are all slopes of the given curve. Right, so we have already started exercise 7.2. We are going to continue that exercise today. Exercise 7.2, fifth problem. Question: find the tangent and normal to the following curves at the given points on the curve. So what we want to find out? Equation of tangent and normal. And at the given point, we have to find out the equation of tangent and normal. So take your fifth problem, second subdivision, and your question is y equal to x power 4 plus 2e power x at what point? 0, 2. Okay, so before finding equation of tangent and normal, from the given equation, what you have to find? M value. So if you find out your m value only, you can use a formula and you can find out the answer, right? So now, okay, what is given? Y equal to x power 4 plus 2e power x at the point 0, 2. Okay, what is mean by y dash? Y dash means first differentiation. So differentiation of x power 4, how can you differentiate? Power will come, friend. With that power, you have to subtract one number. So this will become 4x power 3. What is e power x differentiation? E power x is e power x only. So plus 2 e power x. So we got the first differentiation. Now at the point 0, 2. So at 0, 2, this y dash will become. So y dash equal to, instead of x, what you have to substitute? 0. So if you substitute 0, this whole term will become 0. 0 plus anything part 0 is 1. So you will get only 1 into 2 is 2. So what is your y dash? Y dash is 2. Y dash means your slope, correct? So your slope value, that is m. M is equal to 2. And also to find out the normal, we have to find out minus 1 by m. So minus 1 by m means minus 1 by 2. That's all. We got your m value, minus 1 by m value. Now we are going to use a formula to get the answer, right? So what you have to do? Equation of first, equation of tangent, we can find out. Equation of tangent at 0, 2. At the point, you have to find out. That is what question, right? So equation of tangent at 0, 2. What is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. Here, this is your x1, this point is your x1, this point is your y1. So now, we can substitute these values. So y minus y1 value is 2. So y minus 2 equal to, what is your m value? 2. So 2 of x minus 0, correct? So y minus 2 equal to 2x. Is that right? Now again, taking everything to one side, you will get 2x minus y equal to minus 2 is the equation of tangent. Next, equation of normal. So equation of normal at the point 0, 2 is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m of x minus x1. Similarly, you have to substitute the values. So y minus 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 of x. Taking 2 to that side, you will get 2y minus 2 2s are 4 equal to minus x. Taking everything to one side, you will get x plus 2y equal to 4 is the required equation. Is the required equation. So this is your equation of normal, and this is your equation of tangent. Now we can do the fourth subdivision. So what is your fourth subdivision? X equal to cos t, y equal to 2 sin square t, t equal to pi by 3. Now here this is parameter is given. We can't find out y dash directly. Why? Because this is like a parametric form. X value is given, y value is given. So we have to differentiate this with respect to t. We have to differentiate y with respect to t. After that only we can find out your dy by dx. Okay, wow. So we can get into the solution. So here x is given. So if we differentiate this, you will get dx by, variable is t only, no, so you have to take t. Dx by dt equal to, differentiation of cos t is minus sin t. Now if you differentiate y, what you will get? Dy by dt equal to, and this will be a, you have to first differentiate the power, then you have to differentiate the variable. So the power will come from, you will get 2 2s are 4 sin t, and differentiation of sin t is cos t. Now how to find out dy by dx? So dy by dx equal to, what is the formula? Dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This is your formula. That is 4 sin t cos t divided by minus sin t. This sin t will get cancelled. Sin t will get cancelled. So what will be remaining? Dy by dx equal to minus 4 cos t. So dy by dx means your m value, right? Now at the point t is pi by 3 is given, no. So at t equal to pi by 3, this dy by dx equal to minus 4 cos, instead of t, what you have to substitute? Pi by 3. Okay, what is cos pi by 3? Take your table and find out the value of cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So minus 4 into 1 by 2. And if you cancel, you will get answer as minus 2. So what is your m value? Minus 2. After that, what you have to find? M we got as minus 2. Next, what you have to find? Minus 1 by m. So minus 1 by m is equal to minus 1 by minus 2. Minus minus will get cancelled. So my answer is 1 by 2. This is your minus, minus 1 by m. Now we got your m value, minus 1 by m value. Next, to find out equation of tangent and normal, we want points. If you know the points only, then we can use the formula y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. So y1, x1 values we know, that is the point we have to find out, right? Now that for point we can find out from the given question itself. So what is given? X equal to cos t. Instead of t, what we can substitute? Pi by 3. That is cos pi by 3. What is cos pi by 3 value? 1 by 2. So we got x value as 1 by 2. Now y value. What is y? 2 sin square t. That is 2 sin square pi by 3. What is sin pi by 3 value? 2. Sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. That is 2 into root 3 square is 3. 2 square is 4. Cancelling, you will get 3 by 2. So what is your y value? 3 by 2. Therefore the points is 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Now you can use the formula. Now you can use the formula directly because we know the points, we know the m value minus 1 by m value, right? Okay. Now that's the equation. The tangent at 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. The tangent at 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2 is we can use directly we can use the form. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. So y minus 3 by 2. y1 value is 3 by 2, correct? So y minus 3 by 2 equal to what is your m value? Minus 2. Minus 2 of x minus 1 by 2. Simplifying this, you will get an answer. So how can you simplify this one? This will be 2y minus 3 by 2, and this will become minus 2 2s are 4x, minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 divided by 2. Now we can cancel this 2 and this 2. So this is minus 4x plus 2 because 2 is an LCM now, so plus 2. Taking everything to one side, you will get 4x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Next, what we have to find out? Normal. So this is your equation of tangent, that's all. So next we have to find out normal. So the normal at 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m of x minus x1. And again same simplification if you did, you will get 2y minus 3 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 of x minus half. So we can cancel this 2 and 2. So again what you will get? 2y minus 3 equal to, taking LCM, 2x minus 1 by 2, and again take this 2 to that side, you will get 4y minus 6, and taking everything to one side, minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0, and simplify this, you will get 4y minus 5 minus 2x equal to 0, and always x value should start with plus 1. So multiply this with minus 1, you will get 2x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 is the equation of normal. Next question, sixth one. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y equal to 1 plus x cube, for which the tangent is orthogonal with the line x plus 12y equal to 12. So first of all, just know this one. To find out the equation of tangent, what are the things we require? M value and x1 value, y1 value, right? Okay. Finding m value, they will give an hint equation, and finding your point also, they will give the equation. That's all. So here what is given is, find the equation of tangent to the curve. So we are going to find out the tangent to this curve y equal to 1 plus x cube. And another one is given, for which the tangent is orthogonal with the line x plus 12y equal to 12. So using these two equations, we have to find out your m value, x1 value, y1 value. Okay, first we can take this one. The tangent is orthogonal. The tangent is orthogonal to x plus 12y equal to 12. That we can take it as y equal to minus 1 by 12x plus 1. 12 by 12 is 1 now. Taking plus x to that side, it will become minus x. Divided by 12, you will get minus 1 by 12 of x plus 1. Okay. Now this is of the form y equal to mx plus c, correct? But here what condition is given? The tangent is orthogonal. So orthogonal, now we can't take the slope as it is. So we have to take it that as normal only, because the tangent is orthogonal. So here what we are taking, m value is minus 1 by 12. Since it is orthogonal, we are taking minus 1 by m, normal. Okay, so minus 1 by m value, what is given? Minus 1 by 12. And also from this, we can take m value as 12. So we got minus 1 by m value and m value. Next points we have to get. Okay, now here what equation is given? Y equal to 1 plus x cube. If we differentiate this, you will get dy by dx equal to 3x square. So dy by dx is a slope, right? And here we are having one slope, here we are having one slope. So if we equate this, we can get your x value, correct? So can we take this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So equating 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2, what you will get? 3x square is equal to 12. So x square is equal to 4. X value is what? Plus or minus 2. Okay. When you take x equal to 2. So when you take x equal to 2, substitute in the equation given curve, this curve y equal to 1 plus x cube. So if you substitute x equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So what is your y value? 9. Similarly, if we substitute x equal to minus 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. So y equal to minus 7. Now we got 2 points. What are the 2 points? 2, 9. Okay, therefore the points are, what are the 2 points? 2, 9 and minus 2, minus 7. So using this, we have to find out one equation of tangent, and using this, we have to find out one equation of tangent. Okay, next. So we can go to the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at 2, 9 is, equation of tangent at 2, 9 is y minus 9. Y minus 9 is equal to, m value is 12. 12 of x minus 2. And simplifying this, you will get y 12x. And 12x, when you take y to that side, it will become minus y. 12 2s are 24. Minus 24 plus 9 is, minus 15. So minus 15 equal to 0. So this is your equation of tangent. Next, again, equation of tangent at what point? Minus 2, minus 9. So what you will get? Y plus 9, because here it is minus, no. So y, okay, this is minus 7. Y plus 7 equal to 12 of x plus 2. Again, if you simplify, you will get 12x minus y plus 17 equal to 0. And here, if you see the question, we want to find out only equation of tangent. So equation of normal. Next question, 7th one. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1, which are parallel to the line x plus 2y equal to 6. So this is also as like your previous problem. Previous problem, the word orthogonal is given, and here it is given as a parallel. That's all. Both are same only. So one curve is given, y equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1, parallel to the line x plus 2y equal to 6 is given. So parallel to the line, then we can find out your slope. What is that one? The tangent is parallel to x plus 2y equal to 6. Okay, so tangent, what we can take, so how to find out m value? Minus a by b form, correct? So m is equal to minus a by b, a value 1, b value 2. So minus 1 by 2. Now we got your m value, right? Let me keep this one. Next, take down the equation. Y is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1. What we have to do? We have to differentiate this equation, right? So differentiate. What method we can use here? U by V method. So what is U by V? U dash V minus V dash U by V square. So denominator is square, that we can take it as x minus 1 the whole square, and differentiation of x is 1 into this. So x minus 1 into 1 minus this one, as it is differentiation of x is 1 only. So x plus 1 into 1. Again, if you simplify this one, plus x minus x will get cancelled. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. So what you will get? Minus 2 by x minus 1 the whole square. This is your y dash. Now, can we equate this m and this m? Yes. So first m is, see, this is minus 1 by 2, and this is, we can equate this m and this m, okay? Because y dash means slope only, okay? So if we equate minus 2 by x minus 1 the whole square is equal to minus 1 by 2, and taking a minus minus will get cancelled, and what you will get, after simplifying, what you will get? 2 2s are 4 equal to x minus 1 the whole square. So taking square root, you will get x minus 1 equal to 2 plus or minus 2. So x equal to, when you take minus 1 to that side, it will become as plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So what you will get? X value 3 and minus 1. Now when x equal to 3, so if you substitute x equal to 3, what is your y value? 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So when you substitute x equal to 3, what you will get? Y equal to 2. Now when x equal to minus 1, so y equal to minus 1 plus 1 by minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0, because minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So what are the points we have? The points are minus 1 comma 0, 3 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 2. After this, what we have to do? We have to find out equation of tangent. That finding equation of tangent is, you have to do homework, okay? So finding equation of tangent, and for the 2 points you have to do it by yourself. 8th question. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve given by x equal to 7 cos t, y equal to 2 sin t at any point on the curve. So this one, as we did our 5th problem last subdivision, like that. So first you have to find out your dy by dx. After finding your dy by dx, you have to find out the points. So dy by dx, that is your m value. After finding those things, you can use the formula to find out your equation of tangent and equation of normal. Now we can get into the next problem, 9th one. Find the angle between the curve xy equal to 2 and x square plus 4y equal to 0. So what is given? Curve xy equal to 2 and the point x square plus 4y equal to 0. So 2 curves are given. Using this, what we have to find out? Angle between the curves. Okay. So find out the angle between the curves. We want 2 slope. So m1 from the first curve, m2 from the second curve. Also we have to find out the points. If you know your point only, then you can find out the slope. Okay. Now we can see the solution. So to find the point, what we are going to do is, to find the point of intersection, we are going to solve the 2 curves. xy equal to 2 and x square plus 4y equal to 0. We are going to solve this curve. So what we can take x equal to 2 by y, correct? Now here we can substitute. So instead of x, what we are going to substitute? 2 by y. So 2 by y the whole square plus 4y equal to 0. That is 2 2s are 4 by y square plus 4y equal to 0. Again, if you simplify, you will get, so you will get 4 plus taking LCM, 4y cube equal to 0. Again take 4 as common, 1 plus y cube equal to 0. So 1 plus y cube equal to 0 implies y cube equal to minus 1. So y is also minus 1 because 1 power anything is 1 only, right? So we got y value as minus 1. If you know your y value, we can get our x value, right? So here if you get y is equal to minus 1, if you put, you will get x into minus 1 equal to 2. That is x equal to minus 2. So what are the points? Therefore the point is minus 2 comma minus 1. So we got the point. Next we have to find out m1 and m2. For that, first we can take the first equation, xy equal to 2. We have to differentiate this one. So we have to differentiate with respect to x and y. Okay. Now UV method here we are using. So differentiation of x is 1 into y as it is. X அப்படியே போட்டு y differentiate பண்ணோம்னா y dash. Constant differentiate பண்ணோம்னா 0. So what you will get? Y dash is equal to minus y by x. Y dash equal to minus y by x. Now at the point minus 2 comma minus 1. What is your y dash? So here minus, we can keep it as it is. Minus 1 by minus 2. This minus will go off. In the minus appear, so we can take it that as minus 1 by 2. So what is your m1 value? Minus 1 by 2. Next step, we have to take the second curve. And what is the second curve? X square plus 4y equal to 0. And if we differentiate, x square is 2x plus 4y dash equal to 0. That is y dash is equal to 2 minus 2x by 4. So at the point 2 comma minus 1. So at the point 2 comma minus 1, what you will answer? Minus 2 into x value is minus 1. Sorry, x value is minus 2. Y value is minus, no y value, so only 4. And 2 2s are 4, 4 4 will get cancelled, minus minus plus. So y dash is equal to 1. That is m2. m2 equal to 1. So we got your m1 value and m2 value, and also we have using this we can find out the angle between the curves. Here's your angle formula. Tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, which is equal to modulus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 1 plus minus 1 by 2 into 1. Again, if you simplify this, you will get 1 2 is to 2 plus 1 3. So minus 3 by 2 divided by 1 2 is 2. 2 11 pochna 1. So 1 by 2. And this 2 2 will get cancelled. Since it is modulus, minus will go off. So tan theta equal to 3. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 is your final answer. Last question. Show that the two curves x square minus y square equal to r square and xy equal to c square, where c and r are constants, cuts orthogonally. So what we are going to prove is, we are going to prove that these two curves cut orthogonally. So how we can start the solution? Since we have to prove this cut orthogonally, first we have to find out the point. So orthogonally means perpendicular condition. Okay, so here what we can do, let x1 comma y1 be the point of intersection. As like your previous problem, we can't find out a point of intersection because your constant is given as r square and c square. So we can't find out the point of intersection. So what we are taking, let x1, y1 be the point of intersection. So first equation we can take x square minus y square equal to r square. Differentiate this, you will get dou x minus 2y. Since we are differentiating y, we have to put y dash. So 2y y dash, differentiation of constant is 0. So from this, what is your y dash? Minus 2x by minus 2y. So minus 2 will get cancelled. So you will get y dash is x by y. Correct? Next, at the point at x1 comma y1, your y dash becomes x1 by y1. That we can take it as m1 value. Next, what is the next curve given? Xy equal to c square. Again, if you differentiate UV method, x into y dash plus y, which is equal to 0. So y dash equal to minus y by x. Okay, now at the point x1 comma y1, your y dash is minus y1 by x1, which is equal to m2. So now we got your m1 value, m2 value. Right? Now, since it is orthogonal, we have to use a perpendicular condition, right? So m1, m2 equal to, m1 is x1 by y1, m2 is minus y1 by x1. And if we cancel, what you will get? m1, m2 equal to minus 1. Since we got the m1, m2 equal to minus 1, we can say therefore the two curves cut orthogonally. That's all. The solution get over. And your homework is exercise 7.2, fifth problem, first subdivision, third subdivision, example 7.11 to 7.18. Thank you, students.